Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today I want to make unleavened bread. This is going to be an Israeli classic recipe that we're using, and the reason I'm using it is our book club that is coming up is on the book of David, King David. And so there is a story that David and his men were hungry, and so they went to the priest at Nob and asked for the bread in where the priests were. So it was consecrated bread that he wasn't supposed to eat, but he did it anyway because his troops needed some food. So because of that story, I thought for book club, I want to make the unleavened bread especially for this point of the story. So also in our Bible study, we're studying 1 Samuel, which Samuel and King David go hand in hand. So I thought perfect time to have David as a book for our book club. It's when we're studying Samuel. So that's the whole reason behind the unleavened bread. Okay, folks. Well, we have a big day ahead of us. Let's get started. I'm going to start off with I'm using 100% whole wheat flour. We have our salt and our water. First I want to mix this salt in a little. Then I'll add our water. And our olive oil. Now it's really interesting, all of these ingredients actually mean something for this bread. In the biblical sense, flour represents the bread of life. Water represents the salvation and cleansing. Olive oil represents the pressing, and salt represents the covenant. So I did not know that though until this morning. So I'm just mixing this with a fork, and then we are going to lay it out on the counter. All right, we're going to do just a little bit of kneading here. At about 3 minutes for this little bit of dough. And as you knead, it does pick up flour. We're going to add some dehydrated onions, some dehydrated garlic, have onions. Let's put some parsley in here. Okay, so let's work this in. Okay, now let's split this up and we'll start making our balls. Start rolling these out. We're going to cook these 5 minutes. 5 minutes on each side. We want a total of 10 minutes. This really reminds me of making tortillas, only with a different flavor of bread. With wheat versus white bread or white flour. Okay, we got 5 minutes. Interesting. It's more like a wafer or a cracker than it would be bread. But this is what they used to eat. So it probably looks better than mine, but it's not bad. It's like a wafer. So when God gave them manna to eat, to make into bread. They didn't starve. And I would eat this before I would starve. So it's not that bad. It's not what I'm used to, but now we know what King David ate in his day, and it'll be quite the experience for the book club. So you folks have a wonderful day. Thank you for stopping by. And if you could, hit that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe. It really helps our channel. And have a wonderful day. See you next video. Bye-bye.